Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. It's Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a set of AI tools to convert your text or script to video. Now this is very important because you can actually put together a script and use this set of AI tools to create a movie out of it. So if you're ready, set up your system and let's do this together. If today is the very first time of you watching, please like, subscribe, comment and then turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload a new content, you'll be notified. Remember, like I always do say, when you grow, we grow. If you're ready,
so guys, find your way to ChatGPT and type in a prompt. There's actually a video on this channel explaining how to use ChatGPT. So once you type in a prompt like I've done, just click search. Then this is the outcome, this is the output. So I'll just copy the very first sentence from here and then head over to 11 Labs. 11 Labs allow you to generate audio from your text. So just paste in here and then if I click play.
Quantum easing, a concept emerging at the intersection of monetary policy and economics, represents an unconventional approach to stimulating an economy.
That sounds good. So you actually download it and then head over to Adobe Express. From there, it's still in the beta version. So just click on join the free beta. Once you click on it, it takes you here. This is the landing page of Adobe Express. So if I scroll down, you see a whole lot of things what you can do with this: social media, video, photo, document, marketing, and a whole lot of others. So you just click on the video tab, then it opens up this space. So just scroll down a bit depending on where they keep it. Click animate from audio. That's where we'll be working on. So when you click, it takes you here. You can see the characters are here. You can switch the backgrounds of the characters and of course the size of your video. So going back to the character, you can see a whole lot of characters. In the categories, you can see all manner of characters, emojis, food, creatures, but we go with the humans. So I will just scroll down to the particular one that I would use for this video, for this demonstration. So I think I will leave it here at BL because he looks like a prof. So just select it and here it is. So you go back to background and then in the category you can see all manner of backgrounds: outer space, indoors, abstract, season. So we go with the classroom. So I will just check out the options and check out desk is good. So I'll just click on it. You can see the background has updated. So resize for YouTube, you can resize for Instagram or any other social media. So the size I'm using is 16:9. So you can choose to record your voice, but when doing so, enhance the speech by toggling this. So enhance speech, but we are not recording our voice. We want to upload an audio file. So click on browse, like so. It takes you where your file is saved in your computer. So in a matter of seconds, the audio will be uploaded. So voila, you have it right there. You can choose to download it from here or to edit it in an editor. So what I do is I'll click on the editor. It takes me here. You can see the storyboard right there. So on the left pane, you can use this left pane to customize it. For instance, you can choose templates to use. You can choose video template and a whole lot of other things. You can upload media to add to it, but if you want to add text or elements, so for instance, if you want to add text, you click on text and then on the blue button you just click add your text. Once you click on it, automatically the space for you to type appears on the video as an overlay. So just delete that and type in whatever you want on the text. Then you can actually, after typing it, you can resize it. You can format it anywhere you want. You can drag it anywhere around the video and then you can shrink it or increase the size however you want to do it. Basically formatting the text. Okay, this is how it looks here. You can use this space to format the text however you want it, as a matter of fact. So once you have that in place, and then let's play.
Quantum easing, a concept emerging at the intersection of monetary policy and economics, represents an unconventional approach to stimulating an economy. Unlike traditional forms of quantitative easing, where central banks purchase financial assets to inject liquidity into the system, Quantum easing encompasses a more nuanced.
So once you are satisfied with the outcome, you just head over to download, the top right corner. When you click on the download, it opens up. The settings are correct. Just click on download again, and in a matter of seconds, it will be downloaded onto your system. So let's check it out, how it looks.
Quantum easing, a concept emerging at the intersection of monetary policy and economics, represents an unconventional approach to stimulating an economy. Unlike traditional forms of quantitative easing, where central banks purchase financial assets to inject liquidity.
So guys, that's how it's done. See you in the next video.